Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Alienware P111F. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing warranty issues with your Dell Alienware P111F and it's not functioning properly, you're not alone. These problems can arise due to various reasons, including hardware malfunctions or software conflicts. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage or complete failure of your device, so it's essential to tackle this issue promptly. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage from static electricity. Begin by ensuring your device is completely powered off and unplugged. Remove the back panel carefully by unscrewing the screws located at the rear. Make sure to keep track of these screws as you will need them later. Once the back panel is off, locate the faulty component. In many cases, this could be the battery or motherboard. Gently disconnect any cables that may be attached to the component, taking care not to pull too hard to avoid damaging nearby parts. Carefully lift the component out of its housing. If you're replacing the battery, ensure you have the correct model and align it properly before inserting it. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After replacing the component, reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, ensuring they are secure but not overly tight. Replace the back panel and screw it back into place, making sure not to over-tighten the screws as this could warp the casing. Finally, power on your device to verify that everything is functioning as expected. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. To prevent similar issues in the future, ensure your device is kept in a clean environment and regularly update your software. Additionally, consider investing in a surge protector to shield against power fluctuations. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.